thanks to my colleague and dear friends of IIT Roper, till now I am living here, and today is the date that I will go from this outside of this IIT Roper to go home. So today is my last day in this IIT Roper, and thanks to my all friends, they are very nice and supporting for me. This video I will show you the view of IIT Roper main campus to Roopnagar railway station. I have taken this RN95 mask for safety purpose, and it's this 3-layer mask for safety purpose. Also I have taken the sanitizers, this one, and I have also taken one goggles for the safety purpose. And because corona is going on, and from the last mid of March to this mid of June, till now I am lived here, and now it's time to go for some time to home. Now friends, I am going to main gate of this IIT Roper campus, and one guard will leave me from this main gate of IIT Roper campus to Roopnagar railway station. And thanks to that guard who will help me during this time. Dear friends, you can see the view of IIT Roper uh, in the morning. As you can see how beautiful it's looking. And now I am going to main gate. To leave the campus, you should have a undertaking from the hard copy of undertaking from the academic section. After more than 3 months, I am leaving IIT Roper. Leaving means I am going outside this campus of IIT Roper, and it's not too good to say, but it's really feeling like freedom.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby, 125 in the middle of the night, got my engine thundering. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's blow this town, break the speed of sound. Tonight we all know crazy. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Red light on the highway, blue lights flashing behind me. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Born to ride, Mustang 65, got
Finally friends, now I have reached to Roopnagar railway station. Finally friends, I have reached to Roopnagar railway station. As you have seen that there are 3 to 4 inquiry. First one is that they will note your name, father's name, mobile number, and the place where you are going. And the second one is the that corona check, that thermal corona check meter. And third one is they will check your seat berth, that you have booked your seat in your train. And then all the things will done. Now you can enter inside the railway station. Then after you can go to your place, or you can wait for your train. Till now the train will not come, and you can see the view of this one is a Rupnagar railway station. And you can see during this lockdown, as the whole Rupnagar railway station is almost vacant, very less people are here. On
You
chairs you can
the
see there is a
persons are
cross
available
mark.
here
That means
to sanitize the
seats are not cleaned.
or might be for the alternate sitting.
Now friends, it's 6:10 and our train timing is 6:20, and because of that some passengers has reached to here on railway station. And now I am going to finish this video. Thanks for watching.